Okay, people, I wanted to say, because another video tutorial will be how to select only visible polygons. We have like back face. What this option does when you click and when you want to paint polygon, this will not paint invisible points. Only visible points will be selected. I press the button B on my keyboard. I should rotate polygon a little bit back there. Okay, I will paint once again to show to you. Because I got half of the polygon because I'm using mirror modifier. Because we didn't select the back face, invisible points have been selected. I think when I select this option, this should avoid selecting invisible points. I prefer Blender's paint selection and X-ray. But oh, you can see, well, this shouldn't select invisible points at all. I will check this option. Oh, wait a minute. Why this is behaving very strange? Oh, I forgotten to use the fifth button on my keyboard because I have to check this option. Oh, this option is vector because this did not select invisible polygons points. I will try to find polygon once again because we cannot see what is behind, and I will not select it, and I will paint. Okay. Occluded. This option is to do with avoiding selecting backface polygons.